morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, here's the result of your midterm exam. I will call your name. Josh. Manny. Gadir. Saiban. Saibans.
Saan ako, Josh? Ikaw? Pasado? Ano sa'yo?
Okay, class, are you satisfied with your scores?
Yes, ma'am.
No? So, what do you want for the finals? Exam or other requirements?
Other requirements na lang, ma'am.
Okay, so you want term paper?
Yes, ma'am.
We only have 2 meetings left, so your requirements will be passed on Tuesday this week.
Next meeting? Next
Yes.
meeting, ma'am.
Yes. So you will pass the requirements this Tuesday, this week.
Ha? Ba't parang ang bilis naman, ma'am?
So because we only have 2 meetings left and we don't have time.
Ma'am, hindi ba pwede i-extend na lang, ma'am? Kasi marami din kami requirements sa ibang subject namin.
I'm sorry to know, but that's the deadline. Okay, that's all for the last day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am! Ma'am! Ma'am, hindi ma'am, extend mo yung requirements natin ma'am kasi hirap kasi pagsabay yung thesis ko tsaka yung requirements mo. Graduating student kasi ako.
Sorry, Ivo, pero yung policy ko, deadline is a deadline. So, we have to manage your time. I'm sorry.
Visit, nakakainis. Wala namang konsiderasyon. Ang ilang trophy yun. Sarap patayin. Ang ina.
Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon.
Yun,
So, natapos ko na yung final, complete ko na yung final grades mo. So, sino yung gusto ko makita yung grades muna sa harap? Okay, I'm here with Mr. Manili. Okay. Pasado. Miss Mona, I'm here ka. Next, Mr. Josh. Sorry, science.
Okay, ngayon ma'am, nakapasa na ako ng exam, nakapasabot, tapos nakapasa na ako ng final requirements mo.
Ano nga ba sa kainan dito sana?
Visit.
Ano yun, Mr. Josh? May sinabi ka?
Wala ma'am.
Okay, that's for today. Class dismissed. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, wala naman ba talagang chance para umasa ako?
Wala, Ihoy.
Ay, ano ma'am, may ko para umasa lang.
Sorry, pero yung basta deadline sa
Graduating students
deadline.
kasi ako. Graduating students kasi ako ma'am.
Wala ko pang alam yung graduating student na dapat yung mga requirements nagpapasa ka agad ng requirements.
Kailangan ko ba talaga kasi graduating student kasi ako ma'am.
I'm sorry, wala lang na talaga.
Kahit ano ma'am, gagawin ko para umasa lang.
So, para sa sa deadline is a deadline. So, dapat estudyante ka, dapat minamanage mo yung time mo. So, sorry, wala akong maibibigay na sponsor pag-asa sa'yo. Ang mangyayari is, either i-retake mo or hindi ka makakarating.
Isip ka, ma'am.